clockwise. Estrella looks like this. 7, 8. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, balance. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can finish by going forward, side, close. So this is Estrella. It's called Estrella, which means star. Okay, Estrella is a word in Portuguese and also Spanish. It's because we go in 4 points. You don't have to finish the star when you do this step. You can just do it once and do something else. Good. Then we have clockwise. Clockwise looks like this. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can finish forward, side, close, and make basic after. So, what is important when you do clockwise is that you turn, instead of turning 90 degrees like in Estrella, you go and you turn 180 degrees. So the turn starts on the first step and we go forward, forward, and then I start turning by going sideways. A lot of guys feel like making a big step here. Don't make a big step, try to turn a little bit more. So here, for example. Okay? Don't forget to step outside of the girl's leg. Now, when the girl follows, she will follow you, you will cross back, and she follows from outside. A lot of girls, when the guy comes here, they go with the leg in. So try to follow the guy from outside, and we follow there forward. And then we go 5, 6. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then you finish 4.